Good evening, children. Welcome to Akshara IT Foundation. This is Srinivas, your maths faculty. So let us go to the today's class. So today we are going to discuss about the second part of Surds. Okay, na? So I think in previous class we have already completed some problems based on practice sheet. So let us go to the exercise problems. Okay, yeah. Now exercise 1. So before going to discuss about the exercise 1, let us revise the what is rationalizing factor. What is rationalizing factor? When two surds are multiply each other, or two irrational numbers are multiply each other, then the answer will be the rational number. Then each of the surd will be rationalizing factor of one another. Okay, na? And that too, while you are taking that root 2 is an irrational number, is nothing but a surd, it will have more than one rationalizing factors. So root 2 into root 2, 1. That means itself is the rationalizing factor. Nothing but root 2 we can express as 2 power 1 by 2. Am I right? Same way, this is also we can express as 2 power 1 by 2. According to the laws of exponents, if bases are same, we can add their exponents. So what is the base here? 2. Exponents 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1. So 2 power 1 is 2. Here 2 is a rational number or not? Yes, it is a rational number. So product of two irrational numbers becomes a rational number. Then each of the number is called rationalizing factor of one another. Same way, root 2 you multiply with 2 root 2, 3 root 2, 4 root 2, 5 root 2 like that. Every product will be the rational number. That means root 2 have infinite number of rationalizing factors. Okay, na? Here the rationalizing factor is need not be unique. It can have more than one rationalizing factors. Okay, na? Right. Same way, if you change the order according to that, rationalizing factors will be changes. What is the order of this side? Order 2. Nothing but square root. Cube root 2 means order 3. Fourth root 2, order 4. Okay, na? Yeah. Now, let us go to the first question. The question is the rationalizing factor of cube root of 36. Rationalizing factor of cube root of 36. But 36 is a composite number as well as a square number. 36 is a square number. Now I can write cube root of 6 square. 36 I can express as cube root of 6 square. Okay, na? So here according to our condition, if nth root of a or nth root of a power k, its rationalizing factor is nth root of a power n minus k. A power n minus k. Same way, its rationalizing factor is cube root of 6 power 3 minus 2. Means here n minus k. Nth root order minus its exponent. Here order is 3, exponent is 2. So 3 minus 2, 1. So cube root of 6 power 3 minus 2 means 6 power 1. So cube root of 6 is rationalizing factor of cube root of 36. Okay, no? Right. So let us go to the question number 2. That is 3 minus root 2 into some constant k. 3 minus root 2 into some constant k is equals to a. Then we need to find the value of k where a value is a rational number. That means we know that 3 minus root 2 is a compound surd and nothing but a mixed surd. Okay, na? So this surd is multiplying with some other number k, then the answer is rational number. It clearly given a value is rational number, it seems. So according to the definition of rationalizing factor, multiply of two irrational numbers become rational, then each of them is rationalizing factor of one another. So according to our previous class discussions, 3 minus root 2 rationalizing factor is 3 plus root 2. So k value will be 3 plus root 2, then only their product becomes a rational number. Okay, now, right. Next, let us go to the question number 3. So that is nothing but if root 2 value is 1.414 and so on, 1.414 and so on, root 2 value, root 2 is nothing but irrational number, non-terminating repeating decimals will come. So that's why and so on symbols will be given, and also given. Then we need to find 10 by root 2. How to find 10 by root 2? Before calculating 10 by root 2, I am writing 10 as 5 into 2. Can I write 10 as 5 into 2? Yes. So divided by root 2. In previously we have discussed that root 2 into root 2. Just before we discussed that root 2 into root 2 becomes 2. Now in the same way I am writing this 2 as root 2 into root 2. Square root of 2 into square root of 2. Divided by root 2. Because root 2 into root 2 value 2. Numerator root 2, denominator root 2 cancel. That equals to 5 into root 2 value 1.414 is given. That is approximate value, not exact value. Now multiply with 5. Yeah, 5 4s 22, 5 1s 5 plus 2 7, again 27. 7.070 is our required answer. So let us go to the question number 4. What is the question number 4 is given here? The rationalizing factor of a surd. What is the rationalizing factor of a surd? Rationalizing factor of a surd can be unique if it is in the form of a plus root b, or 2 root 3 into like for example here a plus root b, or root 2 if you take as how many rationalizing factors are there? Infinite. How many rationalizing factors are there? Infinite, as we discussed in the previous conversation. Okay, yeah, check. Finish writing, right? Shall I go to the next question? Yeah. Question number 5. That is, x value is greater than 0, then square root of x into square root of x into square root of x and so on n times. This formula also we have discussed. If it is given up to infinity times and so on infinity, exactly the answer will be x itself. For example, square root of 2 into or square root of 3 into square root of 3, square root of 3 and so on infinity times, the answer blindly we can say that is 3. For this explanation also I have given in our previous class, so please watch our videos. Next. So but here it is up to n times. So what is the formula for that? If a root over a into root over a into root over a and so on n times, then the value of this we can write a power 1 minus 1 by 2 power n. If n value is 100, then the answer is a power 1 minus 1 by 2 power 100 will be there. But here how many times? N times only. That means in the place of a here n, x will be represented x power 1 minus 1 by 2 power n. But the option is not given. It is given in the simplified form. 2 power n into 1. Nothing but looking like a mixed fraction, right? 2 power n into 1, 2 power n minus 1 by 2 power n. This is the answer you need to write. Check. Direct formula. For that we have root 6 into root 6, that type of problem also came. So we derived that problem in our previous class. Okay, so just you can watch that. Next, question number 6. If a value is 1 by root 5 minus root 3 and b value is 1 by root 5 plus root 3. We need to find the value of a into b. So multiplication of two irrational numbers. So directly I am multiplying here, that is equals to 1 by root 5 minus root 3 into 1 by root 5 plus root 3. So it is looking like a fractional form, a by b into a by b. So nothing but product of numerators by product of denominators. So numerators are 1 ones are 1. But just observe the denominator, a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. That is nothing but a square minus b square, one of the algebraic identity. So a square and root cancel, 5 remains, 2 and root cancel, 3 remains, 1 by 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 value is 2, 1 by 2. So what is the identity we used here? A minus b into a plus b, or a plus b into a minus b. Order is doesn't matter. So answer is a square minus b square. Here a value must be greater than b. Okay, na? Check. Now let us go to the next question. That is question number 7. See that one. So the rationalizing factor of square root of 75 plus square root of 32. Rationalizing factor we need to find. So if it is in the form of root a plus root b, its rationalizing factor is root a minus root b. That means in the place of plus we are taking the minus. But once observe the options, such type of option is not given there. So first of all we need to reduce into smallest terms. Now I am writing 75 as 325s. 325s are 75 because 25 is a square number. I can bring its original number, that means its square root value to the outside. Okay, plus 32 I can write as 2 into 16. 16 also a square number. 2 16s are 32. Now this 25 I can write as 5 into 5. Am I right? Yes. Plus this is 16 I can write as 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. Now from these two numbers, two same numbers in the square root, one number will come without the root, that means 5. And remaining value 3. 3 always present in the root, in root only. Next here also, from these two 4s, 1 4 will be outside. Now we simplified this. So root over 75 plus root over 32 we can write as 5 root 3 plus 4 root 2, and its rationalizing factor is 5 root 3 minus 4 root 2. Okay? Next question. Question number 8. Yeah, let us see this. That is, if x value is 1 by 2 minus root 3. X value is given 1 by 2 minus root 3. Then we need to find x minus 1 by x minus 1 by x whole square. So x value is 2 minus root 3. Then 1 by x value. 1 by x means it's reciprocal, right? So 1 by x value we can write 2 minus root 3. This is 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3 by 1. 2 minus root 3 by 1 means 2 minus root 3 only. This is 1 by x value. Okay. But x value only we should simplify because the denominator is in the irrational form. 2 minus root 3. So to convert to change the denominator into rationalizing, we need to use rationalizing factor. What is the rationalizing factor of 2 minus root 3? 2 plus root 3. So we need to multiply and divide it by 2 plus root 3. Why we multiply and divide it? That means it gives its equivalent fraction or its equivalent number. That means 2 plus root 3, 2 plus root 3 can be cancelled. This value will not be affected. Okay. Now 1 into 2 plus root 3 is 2 plus root 3. And the denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. A value 2, 2 square minus b value root 3 whole square. That equals to 2 plus root 3 by 2 square value 4 minus square root cancel 3. 4 minus 3 value 1. Very good. Now that is 2 plus root 3 by 1 is nothing but 2 plus root 3 only. This value is x. 1 by x value is nothing but 2 minus root 3. X value 1 by 2 minus root 3, then 1 by x value 2 minus root 3. So there is no denominator here, so we can directly take 1 by x value 2 minus root 3. But what is the question here? X minus 1 by x whole square. X minus 1 by x, we try to do that. X minus 1 by x. X value is 2 plus root 3 minus 1 by x value 2 minus root 3. When you multiply, when you apply minus here, this plus 2 becomes minus 2, minus root 3 becomes plus root 3. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel. Root 3 plus root 3, 2 root 3. But the question is given x minus 1 by x whole square. So squaring on both sides. 2 square value 4. Root 3 square value is 3. Root 3 whole square means square root and 2 cancel. 4 3s are 12. This is our required answer. Okay now. Please note the question number 9. Yeah. So x is equal to root 3 plus root 2 and we need to find the value of x plus 1 by x. X value is root 3 plus root 2 and 1 by x value. What is the 1 by x value? 1 by root 3 plus root 2, but the denominator should not be in irrational form, so we have to multiply with the rationalizing factor. So after multiplying the rationalizing factor, what is the rationalizing factor? Root 3 minus root 2 by this is also root 3 minus root 2. You will get the answer root 3 minus root 2 only. Okay, no? After simplify, you try to simplify this by applying the a plus b into a minus b whole square form, means a plus b into a minus b identity in the denominator. You will get that answer root 3 minus root 2. Okay, what is the answer here? X plus 1 by x. X value is root 3 plus root 2 plus 1 by x value is root 3 minus root 2 plus root 2 minus root 2 cancel. Root 3 plus root 3 is 2 root 3. Root 3 plus root 3 is 2 root 3. Okay na? Done. Question number 10. Yeah, very important problem, that is cube root of a plus cube root of b plus cube root of c equal to 0 is given. We need to find a plus b plus c whole cube. A plus b plus c whole cube. So for that I am writing this cube root of a plus cube root of b equals to plus cube root of c transpose that side, that will be minus cube root of c. For getting that answer, I am just transposing the one of the term to that side. Now apply cubing on both sides. What we should do? Cubing on both sides. That equals to cube root of a plus cube root of b whole cube equals to minus cube root of c whole cube. Now see LHS part, it is in the form of a plus b whole cube formula. What is a plus b whole cube formula? A plus b whole cube equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, or we can write as a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Anything we can use. I am applying the first one. Okay, second one I am going to apply whatever. A plus b whole cube. A value this. Cube root of a cube plus b cube. B value cube root of b whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab. 3 into cube root of a into cube root of b. 3ab into a plus b. A plus b means cube root of a plus cube root of b. Okay na? Now cube root cancel. Cube root cancel. We will get here, this is a value and it is b value plus 3 into cube root of a into cube root of b, cube root of ab, we can write directly. And this value is minus cube root of c. This value is minus cube root of c, like this, from this, minus cube root of c. But what is RHS part? Here I left the RHS part. Cube root of c means cube root cancelled, minus c will be there. Minus c as it is answer. Now minus c bring this side. That means a, here already a plus b is there. Minus c bring this means plus c also will be there. Now plus into minus, minus 3 into cube root of ab into cube root of c is cube root of abc is equals to 0. Now again this minus term transpose that side, then a plus b plus c equals to 3 into cube root of abc. See, we got the a plus b plus c value and we need to find a plus b plus c whole cube. Apply cube on both sides. That means this cube 3 power 3 is 27. 3 into 3 into 3, 27. This cube root cancel, ABC will be. The answer is 27 ABC. So a plus b plus c whole cube answer is 27. Shall I go to the next question? See here, I did not change anything here. So given value, I am just transposing one of the term. For that remaining two here, I am applying the cubing on both sides. This is the result of what we applied here. Check. I am just applying the first identity. That means both are same. But I did not apply this form. Only this form I applied. Right. So now question number 11. That is, if 1 plus root 2 by 3 minus 2 root 2. 3 minus 2 root 2. This value is given a plus b root 2, it seems. A plus b root 2. Now we need to find the value of a and b. A value, b value also we should identify that. Okay, we should find it. I am taking the LHS part, that is 1 plus root 2 by 3 minus 2 root 2. Observe the denominator, it is irrational number, right? So we have to make them into rationalized number, rationalize a rational number by using rationalizing factor. What is the rationalizing factor here? For the denominator, 3 minus 2 root 2 rationalizing factor is 3 plus 2 root 2. Both you should multiply. Okay? That equals to 1 plus root 2 into 3 plus 2 root 3, sorry, 2 root 2 by denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. But numerator is not applying any formula, it is just binomial into binomial multiplication. Try to do it. With 1 you multiply, 1 into this entire term, 3 plus 2 root 2 as it is will come. Plus root 2 onwards, root 2 into 3, 3 root 2 plus 2 into 2 root 2, sorry, root 2 into 2 root 2, root 2 into 2 root 2. 2 root 2 into root 2 become 4, because root 2 into root 2 value 2, 2 into 2 4. The denominator 3 square value 9, 2 square value 4, and square root cancel, 2 will be, 4 2 is 8, 9 minus 8, 1 will be there, remainder we have, so denominator we can leave it. Now here identify the like term, here 3 will be there, 2 root 2, 3 root 2, that means here root 2 is 2 times is presenting, root 2 is 3 times, 2 times and 3 times 5 times, so 5 root 2 plus root 2 into root 2 value 2, 2 into 2 4, denominator 1. Now 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 5 root 2. Now compare with the RHS. A plus b root 2, 7 plus 5 root 2. Then what is a and b values? Very good. A value is 7, b value is 5. Done. Check. Please note that. Let us go to the question number 12. Yeah, 12th question, that is root 5 value is given. What is the root 5 value is given? 2.23. 6 also. 2.236. Then root 6 value is 2.449. 449, whatever. Now, we need to find the value of 1 plus root 2 by root 5 plus root 3 plus 1 minus root 2 by root 5 minus root 3. How to find this? While you are substituting directly, we'll get the decimals and all. Okay, no? So first of all, let us try to rationalize the denominator. Because here root 6 value we don't have. We have only root 5 value. Root 3 value is not there. Root 2 value is also not given. Only root 5, root 6 is given. So first of all, let us convert the denominator into rationalizing form for the first term. Second term also denominator into rationalizing form. Okay, na? Check. Now here only I am doing here. Now root 5 plus root 3 rationalizing factor is root 5 minus root 3. Denominator also root 5 minus root 3. First term this one. Now second term 1 minus root 2 by root 5 minus root 3. Second term rationalizing factor is root 5 plus root 3. Right. Now denominator a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, nothing but root 5 whole square minus root 3 whole square. Now binomial into binomial multiplication, 1 into this same number will come with root 2. Root 2 into root 5 is root 10, plus into minus minus, root 2 into root 3, root 6. Okay, now plus. Again denominator a plus b into a minus b formula, a square minus b square. Again numerator 1 into root 5 plus root 3 is root 5 plus root 3 itself. Now minus root 2 into root 5 minus root 10 plus into minus minus root 6. Now observe the denominators. Denominators are same. Directly we can add the numerators. That means plus root 10 minus root 10 cancel. Minus root 3 plus root 3 cancel. What is remaining here? Root 5 plus root 5 to root 5. Same way root 6 minus root 6. Both are negative root 6 only. Minus 2 root 6. Divided by 5. Root 5 whole square means 5. Root 3 whole square means 3. 5 minus 3, 2. From the numerator, I can take 2 is a common term. Still I have minus root 5 minus root 6 by 2. Numerator to denominator to cancel. Root 5 value is given. We have left only root 5 minus root 6 value. Root 5 value is 2.236 minus root 6 value is 2.449. But bigger one minus smaller number, so smaller one minus bigger one not possible, bigger to smaller subtract. 9 minus 6, 3, 4 minus 3, 1, 4 minus 2, 2.0, negative. Minus 0.213 is our required answer. Okay, now check. Shall I go to the next question? Yeah. So question number 12 over, now 13. So 13th one, x value is given. Similar models I am just leaving here. So 5 minus root 21 by 2. X value. Now we need to identify the value of x square plus 1 by x square. X square plus 1 by x square. Let us find the x square value. X square value 5 minus root 21 by 2 whole square. Numerator a minus b whole square formula. That means a square plus b square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. minus 2 into 5 into root 21 by denominator 2 square value 4. Now here 5 square value 25, 25 square root 21 cancel, square root cancel 21. So 25 plus 21 is 46 minus 10 root 21. Okay, now if you take 1 by x square value, that is 1 by 46 plus 10 root 21. Okay, now? So while you rationalize the denominator, this value finally you will get 46 plus 10 root 21. Add both of them. Yeah, add both of them. 46 plus 46 is 92. These two cancel. Answer is 92. Next. Question number 14. Yeah, 14 as same like 12th one, but the value is not given. You can rationalize the denominator and simplify that. You will get it. And I am just explaining the question number 15. Okay, na? So question number 15 is square root of 47 plus 4 into root 33. I have explained about this problem. A plus root b in the form of root x plus root 5. X value is given as a plus root a square minus b by 2 and y value is a minus root a square minus b by 2. By using the formula we can use this, or else directly also we can do, but you should remember that second term which is having the square root. This term before we have only 2, but is here 4. So 4 I can write as 2 into 2. 1 2 I am going to take inside, it will be 4. 2 square 4. 4 into 33. That is equals to 47 plus 2 root 433. 430 is 120 plus 12. 132. Now this one 47 and 132 is nothing but 11 12s are 132, and any other options here. 44 3 is also 132, because I can express 47 as 44 plus 3. According to our convenience, we need to go through the options. Now it is a square plus b square plus 2ab formula. Then the answer is root 44 plus root 3. Because how we have written this one how we have written root 44 whole square. You can write root 44 whole square means 44 only. 3 we can write as root 3 whole square plus 2 root 44 root 3. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Nothing but a plus b whole square, square root cancel. A value root 44, b value root 3. Do that. Okay, na? Next. And 16th one, simplest rationalizing factor of cube root of 192. Yeah, here 132 is 192 is given. Like here 192 is not a square number, but you have to convert them into as simple as you like. That means root 192 prime factors you do and find it, then you write into the rationalizing factor, like first problem in this exercise. Okay, na? You can continue like that. Try by your home. Same way, 17th question, as it is same model. 15 and 17 are same model. You can apply the same concept. Next, 18th question. 18th we need to discuss cube root. Okay, na? 19, 20, 21. Yeah, 23 also, that model we have already discussed. So you can just learn that. So let me explain problem number 18 once. That is, x value is cube root of 2 plus root 3. We need to find the value of x cube plus 1 by x. X cube means cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides means cube root cancel, answer will be 2 plus root 3. X cube value 2 plus root 3 means 1 by x cube. 1 by x cube value how much? After the rationalizing factor you will get 2 minus root 3. Add both of them. 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3 plus root 3 minus root 3 cancel. 2 plus 2 4. That's it. Same number reverse means middle symbol will be changed, that's it. Okay, na? That is 19th one. Yeah, last, we have less than 1 minute actually. If you have come earlier, we can complete this one. Yeah, still 2 problems are left. So try to complete at home. In next class, we are going to learn, you are going to learn logarithms topic. Okay, na? So in this, any doubts we'll discuss in further classes. Okay, na? Maximum all models we test. Okay. So thank you, Ananda. Have a nice day. Bye bye.